Okay, so I've had my first look at a Windows 10s laptop, and it just feels like an ordinary Windows 10 home laptop. The performance is pretty much the same as you'll see in the second part of this video, but I just wanted to show how easy it was to go from Windows 10s to Windows 10 Home. If you find that you can't run a particular program, or you want to install Fortnite or something like that on your laptop, it's not going to run on Windows 10s because Windows 10s only supports games and applications from the Windows 10 store, which is a very safe environment. So for certain individuals it is a good way to go, but if you want to use older Windows programs or things that aren't in the Windows store, then basically follow these instructions. What you might want to do is rewind to the beginning, mute the volume so I'm not putting you off, but all the instructions are shown on screen. It's very simple. You'll notice in this video that Windows 10s is $119.99. Windows 10 Home is free. It seems to depend on the model that you buy as to what version of Windows you can upgrade to. Okay, so in this part of the video I'm basically showing the Windows 10 store and a few of the things you can get on there. Different things have been added, so iTunes is now on there, Amazon Prime is on there. There's no Chrome browser, you have to use the Edge browser at the moment. You can't install another browser, so if you like Chrome as your browser, then you're going to have to go to Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Pro. It won't work on S. I did interestingly find a browser called Chrome O, which is a blatant rip-off of Chrome, but it's a square symbol but with the same sort of colours. And it was terrible. It just redirects you. I mean, it's got some weird review marks on it, but I wouldn't recommend using Chrome O. I would stick to Edge as your browser, or if you're not going to use Edge, then I would install Windows Home or Windows Pro, and then you can use whatever browser you want. Okay, so the last part of the video just shows Windows 10s working. As you can see, it's pretty much the same as Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Pro. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.